Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Charts and News episode 16. I want you guys to quickly smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button. We are money-making machines here. You join the money-making club every 4 to 5 times a week. We make videos explaining the profits we're making or about to make. Let's join in. Let's make these predictions. Okay. So, crude oil we have in front of us right now. I don't know what's going to happen. This is a 2-hour chart. But what kind of annoys me is I didn't know that MLK Day was Monday. And on Friday, I put in a bet on crude going down. And that's exactly what happened yesterday when I couldn't even cash in on the trade because the market's closed. Only commodity markets were closed. But we don't know what's going to happen now. I had it around here, guys. I'm like, oh, I wish I could sell, but I couldn't. It's my fault. I should have paid attention. Nobody else's fault but my own. We have some bearish divergence. It's a long signal. It's a MACD that's about to turn green. I hate what I'm seeing. I really do. Should I stop out? I don't know. But you guys should see the natty gas trade. That one's going well. Yeah, like there's not even that much bearish divergence. It's saddening, guys. Very, very much is. We'll keep an eye on it though. See if I have to stop out. Sorry to start the video on a bad note, but we have a good note here because I went long on natural gas on Friday. I seen bullish divergence. I seen a newly born green MACD, and I seen a long signal. As it tested the bottom of this yellow line that keeps getting tested. Look, wick touches it, wick touches it. So this trade, I'm making like 20% plus, which is nice. It makes up for the crude trade that I'm so sad about. Okay. Now, what do I think natty gas is going to do in the future? Well, we got to keep an eye on the daily chart. So let's put this on the daily right here. Daily. Look, so RSI is finally gaining some momentum. The price is finally gaining some momentum. There's definitely bullish divergence on the RSI, and the MACD is about to turn green. So if we see green MACD, and then we see this long signal on the daily, we could make a swing trade, hold it for a week or two, and make good money. Good money, guys. So keep an eye on natty gas. We've been keeping an eye on natty gas for a while. Why? Because the potential for profits is huge. I'm making 20% today alone, guys. Today alone. It's up 10%, and I got a 2x leverage ETF waiting for me when market opens. This is huge, okay? Let's go. Let's go. US 500. Okay, I don't know what's going to happen with stocks, but I got a more bias towards the downside. Why? Let's look at it. Bearish divergence in the middle of the RSI, red, short. That's red. That is more biased to the red. Problem is, I'm not too certain about it, and I wouldn't make the trade right now. Plus, the market's going to open a bit lower. Futures are red, so the market. This is SPY. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it on the daily right now. This is why, because I don't know how it's gonna act. Right now, it's testing not only the trend line, but also the 200-day moving average. So, yeah, we got a long MACD. I mean, we got a green MACD, a long signal here, and the RSI has room to go up. The reason I have this white line drawn out is because if it goes up, I think that's where it stops. I can't see it going higher than that. If it's here and we have an overbought RSI, I'll be buying shorts like you won't even believe it, right? And I'll tell you guys, get some shorts because this is a good time to go short. Another reason I think we could see markets go down, more bias. I'm not entirely sure they're going to go down from here, but I'm more biased, is the dollar. It's kind of in the same position as SPY, but in the inverse, because when the dollar goes down, the market goes up. It's at this channel, which it's been testing for a while, kind of like the trend line on SPY, right? It's been testing this since November, and it goes up every time. So what does it do? Let's see. So, definitely bullish divergence. This is flat flat, not going up. While this is just, right? Green MACD long here. Okay, that's bullish. I mean, it looks like it wants to go up. The problem is this red line doesn't want to break it for some reason. It just keeps, and that's the 61.8% retracement level. Okay. Let's see it on the daily. Definitely bullish divergence. Look at this, guys. From here to here, it goes down, but here to here, it's up / flat. That's so yeah. When it comes to stocks, I'm not touching anything. We can also look at the 10-year yield to give us direction of where the stock's going. Usually, when the 10-year yield goes up, stocks go down, and this is pretty neutral. Everything looks bullish. You know, we got this long signal. We have a green MACD, and bullish divergence for that matter. If you look at this, this is definitely going down. This is undoubtedly going up. Okay. But, or you might have to, there you go. Either way, it's either flat or up while this is, or down while this is going up. And what does that mean? The problem why I don't want to go into it is because I can't see it going higher than 3.6. The risk to reward ratio doesn't look good for me. The RSI is already high, and it's been going up for a while already. This is the 2-hour chart. If I could have traded, actually I could have. If I had it down here, and I think I said it in my video to go long on bonds here, I would have. I didn't, but it would have been a good trade. Right now, it's kind of iffy, right? Like stocks, like the dollar, they're all kind of correlated. So I'm not touching that right now. What I hope happens is that oil goes down so I can get a better profit. Like MLK Day really screwed me, guys. It's kind of sad, but whatever. In other news, silver and gold pretty flat. I don't see any clear direction. Same with Bitcoin, and they're kind of correlated with the dollar too. So today we might get some more clear direction with stocks, the dollar, the yield, silver, gold, Bitcoin. But right now it's kind of questionable. So I'm not doing any trades. But let's hop onto some news. Central bank digital currencies are coming, whether countries are ready or not. Hey, you don't know how many times I've been called a conspiracy theorist for thinking that currency is going digital. But guess what? It's on the mainstream media now. So, hey, look, you guys need to get gold, silver, XRP, Bitcoin. I've said it 100,000 times. I'm going to say it again. You know what to do. If you're not doing it, I don't know what to tell you. It's our job to escape the matrix. It's our job to beat the matrix. Because they have you locked up. They're going to enslave you guys as if you're already not enslaved enough. You might think, oh, slaves work for free. You're working for $1 that goes into, or a number that goes into your bank account that the elites and the banks can print for free out of nothing, out of thin air. So you tell me if that's not slavery. The best form of slavery is when they think they're not slaves. I'll put it that way. Anyways. Today we have 2 thieves reporting earnings. We have Morgan Stanley and 3 Goldman Sachs and Citizens Financial Group. I don't really care what they put out unless it's like crazy, which it won't be. It might move the Dow. It's not really going to move the NASDAQ. We'll really see earnings move markets. Thursday we have Netflix, Procter & Gamble too, which is a huge company, but it's probably not going to move markets a lot. Netflix might. It's a subscription service company, so other subscription service companies are going to be looking at that. But in a week, we have Microsoft, and then in 2 weeks, we have Meta and Apple. Those ones are really going to move markets. So the beginning of February, keep an eye for Meta and Apple. Apple specifically. Apple moves. Microsoft moves. Tesla moves. Amazon moves markets, right? Keep an eye on those ones, guys. So, last one, TikTok. This is sad because like TikTok offers more transparency to avoid sweeping US ban. So why did the US want to ban it in the first place? Well, it wasn't for me. I thought like, wow, this is actually morally humane. The government cares about people. They understand how bad TikTok is for the brain and the human mind and mental health in general. But no. How is ByteDance bribing them or telling them? ByteDance is TikTok's, or how is TikTok, sure, offering to help this? No, they'll by granting U.S. officials oversight of its algorithms. So yeah, you can look at the algorithms, you can look at all this data to help your advertising. So that might get them to do it. Money might get them to do it. How disgusting is that? And this is on the mainstream media. They're not even hiding it. Yeah, we're doing it for money. This is gross. Guys, the TikTok is just bad for you because it's bad for your health, bad for your brain, and it makes people depressed. I mean, if you're on your phone 9 hours a day, just constantly riddling your brain with information and dopamine, it's horrible for you. It's going to lead to depression. It's going to lead to anxiety, and that's what happens. But what do I know? Can you guys please pray for me that crude goes down? That's all I ask. I just want crude back to like 79, 78, 90. Like, please just go back here. Like, I didn't ask for this. This was not my fault. I mean, it is, because I should have paid attention. But MLK did this to me. Okay? Anyways, guys, we're money-making machines. We love profits. We love dollars. Sit back, relax. I love you guys. Peace.